What I'll do is finish with a plea. And obviously the plea is to the board, but this is a public board, so my plea goes to the public, to our patients, to our partners, and also to our politicians. Being a health worker is a privilege, an extreme privilege, and nothing brings that privilege more home when you see the trust that people put in us, when they're very vulnerable, and their families allow us to make them and their family members better. So my plea is this: trust us. Trust us that the case for change is overwhelming, absolutely overwhelming, and the options we are presenting to you are the best chance that we have for taking Hywel Dda off the critical list. If we don't make these changes, things can only get significantly worse. So please, please trust us.